Okay, let's look at the homework 2.4, 2.5, number 8. Right. So here we want to find the points at which the graph of f, this guy, has a horizontal tangent line. All right, so let's do that. All right, so since it says that the horizontal, right, this indicates that it's going to be, the slope is going to be 0. All right, so if the slope is 0, that means that the derivative must be 0, right? So all we need to do is take the derivative of this, then set it equal to 0 and solve for x. All right, let's do that. All right, f prime of x is equal to, using the quotient rule, right, square the denominator, so quantity x minus 1 squared, right, derivative of the top is 2x times the denominator, x minus 1 minus x squared times the derivative of the bottom, which is going to be just 1. Right? So I'll clean up a bit. So this is going to be, right, so 2x times x gives you 2x squared, and 2x times negative 1 will give you negative 2x, right, minus, right, x squared plus times 1 is x squared. All right, you have x minus 1 quantity squared on the bottom. All right, then we can just collect the like terms on the numerator. So you have 2x squared minus x squared. So that would be just x squared, right, minus 2x. All right. Then you have x minus 1 squared. All right. Then on top we can actually factor out x, because both of these terms have x in it. So x times quantity x minus 2 over quantity x minus 1 squared. Right? So we set this equal to 0, right? But in order to make a fraction 0, we just have to make sure that the numerator is 0. So this will give you x times x minus 2 equals 0, right? Which gives you, right, either x equals 0 and x equals 2, right? So we have 2 points, so we have to come up with a y value. So we have to find f of 0, right? So plug in 0 here. 0 squared over 0 minus 1 is 0, so this one's easy to compute. And also f of 2, right? Right, so that's going to be 2 squared on top. Then you have a 2 minus 1. So that's going to be 4 over 1, so it's 4. All right, so 2 points. First point is 0, 0, right? 0, 0. And the next point is x is 2. And 2, corresponding y value is 4. Right, so it's at 0, 0 and 2, 4. Right, so let's type it in. Right, so this is 0, 0 and 2, 4. Right, let's check the answer. All right, it came back and we got those points correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.